Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce about myself. My name is Nagota Aulia Putri and I will present my final exam report in semantic and pragmatic course. The pragmatic effect of teacher's speech are also seen in perlocutionary acts, namely how the speech affects students, such as reducing tension, encouraging, influencing, and threatening. All of these play a role in driving and maintaining effective and meaningful learning interaction. Focuses on identifying speech acts and politeness strategies used by the teacher and students. The goal is to demonstrate how pragmatic features play an important role in shaping communication within the classroom and how such insight can inform English language teaching practice. In teaching and learning interaction, teachers use various illocutionary speech acts that contain pragmatic power, such as assertive, like stating, directive, like ordering, suggesting, commissive, like promising, expressive, like expressing thanks, and declarative, like allowing and applauding. And the interaction took place in the intensive reading class at the English Education Department of Perjuangan University and Siliwangi University. The teacher explained the material in the teaching and learning activities. The classroom atmosphere was semi-formal, and students were encouraged to speak up, answer questions about the material, and express their opinions. From the video, I found several speech acts and politeness analysis. Some examples of speech acts are when teacher says, "Thank you so much for coming on time." It's referring to expressive speech acts because the teacher shows his appreciation for the student who have arrived on time. And when teacher says we are going to focus on the few points, it's referred to directive speech acts because the teacher gives order to students to focus on today's learning topic. And for the politeness analysis, teacher use positive politeness by consistently responding positively to students. For example, it's okay if there are still others coming, and teachers tolerate students who arrive late. Teachers also use agreement maxims, such as when a student provides an answer, the teacher responds with agreement and approves the student's answer. For contextual discussion, the teacher creates a cheerful atmosphere during learning and shows support for each student during Q&A session. The teacher frequently interacts with students to encourage participation. So, this report indicates that an understanding of pragmatic contributes to improving the quality of classroom communication and support the effectiveness of teaching and learning process. By studying speech act analysis and politeness principles, prospective teacher can develop sensitively to the function of language in real-life classroom interaction. Furthermore, pragmatic awareness helps teachers design communication strategies that better suit student needs and backgrounds, thus creating a more inclusive and interactive learning environment. And maybe that's all from me. I hope you can understand, and I'm sorry if there are any mistake. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In addition to facilitating smooth interaction, understanding speech acts and politeness also help teachers recognize cultural differences that influence how students communicate. For example, in certain cultures, students may feel reluctant to refuse requests or express opinions directly. Therefore, teachers need to provide appropriate media for these students. Teachers can also provide examples of how to express refusals or opinions in English and can try to help students by correcting their language. Through training in speech acts such as asking permission, giving suggestions or responding to opinions, students can learn to use English appropriately while maintaining politeness and clarity in communication. This will support students in interacting more confidently both inside and outside the ELF classroom. This is reflection and teaching application.